I'd like to welcome you guys to another video. Basically, I made this video as a part 2 to a video that I made 6 days ago. And I just want to show you that this is the video right here. It's called How to Rank on Etsy 2021 First Page Results in 5 Days. And as you can see, I put this video up 6 days ago. 6 days ago today, it is December 8th, 2021. And this video right here is put up 6 days ago. So this is a part 2 to this video right here. So I want you to just watch a little bit of it.
Start an online
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click it,
products that are ready to
and
sell. Head over to
I want you guys to go subscribe to my channel, checking out my video right here, and I want you guys to watch this video. I just listed this particular product on Etsy just 5 days ago, basically, and it's already ranking on the first page of Etsy. So if you're a newbie or experienced seller on e-commerce or Etsy or different sites like this, and you want to get your rankings up, especially for Etsy right now. I mean, as you can see right here, I only had 651 visits. I'm going to show you guys, I uploaded this product November 25th. Now, this is the first video that you guys are watching. 2021. Like I said, it was basically 5 days ago, because I could have did this video yesterday. But basically, I want to show you guys just how it's going down and what's really going on with this product and how it's ranking. I already have a incognito window open. So what I'm going to do is go for a search term, which is you type in Christmas this way, and Etsy already had a popular keywords already in the popular search engine ranking. So most of the people that just go down here and click on what they want. So I'm trying to get this product going right here. So I'm going to go for that. And most people, they'll be looking for something kind of specific. So we'll go for a specific keyword term. They want a Christmas wreath for the front door with lights. So let's see my ranking anywhere on this particular term with the method that I'm using. Within 5 days, you can get your listing to the first page of Etsy, second or third, and just let it run until it gets to the first. And there I am right there on the first page. As you can see, my name right there, Trendsetters. As you can see, first page product. And I want to pause that video right there, and I want to show you guys. I showed you that guys, if you haven't watched the first video, watch the whole video, come back and watch this video. But as you can see on the first page of Etsy, also on the first page of YouTube, I can also show you how to do that. But the same product that you just witnessed and just saw from the first video that was put up 6 days ago, I want to show you something. I'll flip back over to regular page, and I'm going to go behind into my Etsy shop. And as you can see, Christmas wreath, the same product, has sold within 6 to 7 days, people. This method is killer. If you want to learn how to do this, please go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, click the bell for notifications, leave me a comment down below. If you're on Facebook, any other social media outlet that's watching this, please comment down below. As you can see, the proof is in the pudding, people. 228 visits, 1 item sold. The Christmas wreath that I just put up 6 days ago, and you come down, 228 visits, 1 order. And as you can see, Etsy search, I didn't have to do too much because it's up in the rankings now, first page, and it's doing its own thing. As you can see, once you get up there, you do a few little modifications, check out your competition, and as you can see, you will make a sale just like that. And I want to make this video short, let you guys know that this method that I'm using is working, it's killing it. Etsy SEO 2021. If you want to learn how to do this, please subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video.